be 4 short tube headers. What's cracking, you guys? Welcome back. New day, new video. We're starting off this one actually on the road. As you guys seen, we got a couple parts together. I decided, ¿sabes qué? Let's put on the little shorties de una vez. Might as well do it, you know what I mean? We've been just contemplating, procrastinating on just, not even, but for those that know, I do have a pressure ulcer. So I've been trying to heal it for quite some time now. So I was like, hey, you know what? I told my brother, I'm like, let's go drop off the truck. But on the way over there, my boy, hold on. He's actually right here. Hold on, give me a second. What's up, brother? Come on, that. Yeah, these are the ones.
Just that you could get acetone and clean them because I spray painted my panels from my step side.
Okay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get them redone anyways. Yeah. No, yeah, I was just checking to make sure these weren't cracked.
Is it like original, no?
Yeah, these are OEM too, no más que. The only difference is these are the 06, like 03 to 06.
Mine's 04.
04, yeah, well, that's why they come with these. 06. Yeah, that's why I was like, if you're gonna sell it, might as well. And I've been looking for these, bro.
Nah, here, let me check, but I'm just getting the waste.
Yeah. Damn. Do I need a... They're not cracked either or nothing.
What is it? Like, what is it?
That's clear.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a clear. I mean, you say you're gonna get them redone anyways, right?
No, I'm only gonna get the different ones. Like,
oh, you're gonna get different?
Put them on right now.
Oh, yeah, then you should be good, bro. I thought that maybe not. I'm $1 short. Is that cool?
No, it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter?
Yeah.
6, 7, 8, 9. So 109.
Cool. You saw Frenchies, no?
Yeah, I breed them.
I'm trying to sell my black cat. I don't know.
Serio?
What can I sell them? I don't know.
Well, you gotta keep posting them, bro. De repente, yeah. I got clients already lined up. Usually I start posting them when my females are pregnant.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and I got people waiting. You get me?
I got this one for sale.
Oh, okay.
I have this one. I don't know. I was trying to see something that could sell it for me. Like, they say, like sell it for 800. You can sell it whatever price. Like,
yeah. I charge 20% if I sell a dog. Yeah. How'd you know?
Oh, I was looking at your program. Like, I think it's like, I don't know. I was just like looking through it and I saw your
Serio?
French, you know?
On
Facebook.
On Facebook?
Yeah.
Oh shit! Because I messaged you through where? Oh, through Facebook.
Facebook, yeah.
Oh shit!
Like,
I thought I hit you up through Alpha.
No, yeah.
All right, cool.
Oh, so if you can sell it for me,
yeah, let me know. Keep me updated at todos modos.
All right, yeah.
Thank you, dog. Appreciate you. Damn, I can't believe I paid $100.
Why? They're more expensive?
Well, nobody usually wants to get rid of them, wait.
$100? You get more than $100.
I get them 110, 109. Pero para convencerlo, güey.
Yeah.
Because I've been trying to convince him since I offered him $60. Like, yeah. He kept on lagging. Y luego hasta ahorita que, I'm like, I'll give you 80. 100. He kept on lagging. I'm like, fool, yeah, pa' que te convengas, güey. 110. Let's do it. Vámonos. He's like, okay, come get him. Yeah, that's what did it, fool. See, no? Like I was telling you guys, my boy came out before I even let you guys know exactly what was going on. But as you guys seen, the tail lights, those tail lights I had originally bought them because I was gonna cherry them since one of the tabs is broken on the ones that the truck has right now, BigFace, and we have to use tape. So then usually people don't want to get rid of these. You know what I mean? These are 03 to 07 classic with the black outline. A lot of people aren't very detail orientated like how I am. I have those taillights on Ollie, and it made a difference, to be honest. I liked how these look better. So this one came through. I had to pay him $100 and I paid 80 for the other ones. So I mean, it's cool. I got what I wanted. Supply and demand. It's part of the game. It's business. If it's something that you want and no one has it and you can't get it no more, what are you gonna do? Pay for whatever price they're asking for, you know what I mean? It is what it is. Can't complain about it, gotta be about it. Pay it, and then you go off of there. But watch, a lot of people don't notice that shit, but once they're on, you'll see the difference. But right now, we're gonna go ahead and get some birrongas for these fools. Bring me the paro, and then we'll go, ay, me deja de vuelta, espérenme, güey, and then we'll go. I'll see what Heidel's done. I don't know if he's done anything. I'm not gonna put him on. Not right now. Nah. And then we'll go from there. Vámonos.
A few moments later.
All right, you guys. I was saying before the homie came out. He came out suddenly, you know, and I didn't want to just whatever. The homie came out before I finished explaining to you guys that these specific tail lights I've been looking for quite some time. Usually no one wants to get rid of them, but I've been trying to hunt these for quite some time. My boy kept on lagging and lagging and lagging, and I kept on offering him a little bit more money and more money. He said, you know what, come pick them up. And well, I decided to do that before he ends up lagging again, and that's what we ended up picking up right now. But the point to this video was we're actually installing the headers. We left the truck over at my boy Heidel's pad. I picked up this bola right here. Picked up my brother real quick so you can back me up, take the truck, let it cool down, and well, I decided to take advantage of the fact that he had hit me up and I'm gonna pick it up. Now I picked up some drinks for him so they can be comfortable, chilling, and then we'll see. Hopefully the headers makes a difference. I'll show you guys a quick little time lapse of installation, and then we'll go from there. Shoot, man, I'm out. I don't got nothing on me, brother. Sorry, man. Jeez. Man, I don't have shit. I dispensa, homito. All right, let's go. Vámonos before the sun goes down, and then there's no visibility on this. Vámonos.
A few minutes later.
Estoy secando.
¿Qué? ¿Si salen nada o no?
Me estoy secando, güey.
¿Si salen nada?
Sí, pero me estoy secando, güey.
Ahí están. Sí, güey, de dos.
¿Sí? No, güey, chingate una.
¿Eh? No, ando. Chilling.
Nos vamos a
¿Qué? ¿Apenas? You took off the thing or no?
What?
On the headers. Did you see them?
No, güey, I'm really trying to take it. Quería ver si no se iba a poner pelada para quitarlos primero.
¿Y qué?
No, ya no me falta que lo...
Está easy, no? Digo, shorties at least. I feel like. So you got this side already off?
No, off, pero... Es que...
Ay, güey.
You know what I mean?
Ahí la llevas.
Voy a these, güey.
I know. Well, this one has everything. That's why it's easy. Hey, what about the throttle body spacer? Ahí lo tengo. ¿Qué, güey? ¿Se madrió?
Se salió.
¿Qué, güey? What's that?
Del cable del spark plug, güey.
No way. I have to get new ones?
I don't think so. It might be,
Broken?
Madre, nomás va así.
Oh. Me asusté después, fool. Que yo voy a tener que comprar unos.
I have some right there, I think.
Hey, eso es el filter for the oil. Hay long y short. That makes no sense to me,
No,
man.
pues es que there's two, there's, según uno es for extended life, I guess. I'm not too sure. Pero el largo, I think es para eso,
Ah, ¿el largo es para qué?
para que se te extienda.
Para que alcance más. Tu cola. Ya pues. No hay
Está de coto.
Hay que estar serios con el canal. ¿Y ahí qué estás haciendo, güey?
I'm gonna take off the spark plugs because the last time I did headers, I fucking cracked one and I had to replace all of them.
The one that looked for.
So right now you're taking off all the bolts?
I'm taking
The
off
header
all
bolts?
The header bolts ya están todos flojos, ya nomás de desahogarlos, güey. But I want to take these off first. Ya quebré un set, güey, una vez.
Pero sí se mira papilla, ¿no? Más, ojalá esto más sí sirva. ¿Y tienes work o no? ¿Sí se madrió?
¿Qué?
Esto.
Yeah, I'll fix it right now. Aguántame,
Ni pedo. ¿Ya la escuchaste? What do you think? ¿Cómo crees? ¿Cómo ves? ¿Está 2.3, no? Sí pegan, man. Para cabina sencilla. Está 2.3. Okay, well, let's give them a time lapse. We'll give them a... I already gave them before, so hopefully by this, unless we run into any other complication, pues explicarles. We'll turn the camera back on. But for now, enjoy this little time lapse. So these are the Gibson shorties that we picked up the other day. I was gonna code them, to be honest, but I thought to myself, if I was a cop and I were to see brand new headers coded on there, obviously that's a modification. So I decided to leave them as is. All we're gonna do is Heido's gonna go ahead and get the wire wheel and sort of take off that gasket right there. And then I don't know if I should put the stock heat shield on. Hopefully we can make it work. But the header, the stock manifold is out. I'll give you guys a few shots of Heido, the wire wheel, and then we'll go from there. Hopefully it sounds fucking... There's a difference. Hopefully there's a sound difference. I don't know. Oh yeah, huh? Go, 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 go.
The next day.
All right, what's cracking, you guys? We're back. As you guys seen, we did finish installing the short tube Gibson headers on BigFace. I didn't show you guys much of the installation process. It did get quite late on us. Like right now, I'm starting this one late evening, but I mean, it is what it is. I tried to give you guys as much content as I could yesterday while I was installing those, but we made it happen. Regardless, we made it happen. The only thing about that is that I forgot that we do have an EGR, and I was supposed to get the EGR delete kit, which I didn't. So all the hoses are hanging around and all that. So what we're gonna do actually is we're gonna go ahead and take a trip out to San Fernando Valley out with my boy Panda. If you guys don't know about my boy Panda, he's been in the truck game for quite some time. If you guys go back to the first video that I actually uploaded, he's featured in it actually. He's the one that provided me with the motor, the transmission, the whole build pretty much. So he's the one that built my motor that will be going into BigFace. He did mention yesterday that he had a manifold from 03, 06 Silverados that don't have the EGR valves on the side. So we're gonna go ahead and pick that up so I can go ahead and install that. That way I can avoid buying the whole EGR valve kit or the block off kit and then go from there. I waited this long so the traffic can go down. So we're gonna go ahead and make our way out there, and then I'll give you guys a quick little montage of the road, and then I'll pick up the camera as soon as we get there. Vámonos.